Welcome to today's video. If you're at home and you are bored and you have no access to anything but you have some paint at home, just run outside real quick and grab some rocks. Most people have rocks around their house, so this is a very easy project that you could do. These are not my preferred rocks that I would have chosen if I had a better selection, but they're shiny, which make really cool backgrounds to these little paintings. I wasn't entirely sure what to paint though, so they were like outdoorsy and gardeny themed. I did a couple flowers, I did a chicken like pecking at the ground, and then some random one where I just, went with the flow of the curves of the rocks. I used a combination of dry brushing, stippling, and just regular, brushing on wads of paint. The dry brushing again is you dip it in the paint, you wipe off most of it so there's just a little bit left, and then you go over your work and it gives it a very feathery, light, brushy look. And then stippling is just poking it repeatedly with your brush, or if you're drawing, poking the paper repeatedly with your pencil, This is really good for shading and blending colors. I kept a very limited color palette because I didn't want to give myself too many choices because decision making was very hard at the time. I've seen some pretty cool images painted on rocks, like faces and animals and really cool patterns like mandalas and stuff. They're really cool, and I don't have the right rocks to do that at the moment. So this is the result of what I had at my disposal. I did not plan this video out very well, so I was just kind of winging everything. I wasn't sure going into this what exactly I was gonna do. So I don't really have anything to talk about. I've covered color theory and painting techniques, sort of, in previous videos. I don't really have much to say right now, so enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed this rock painting video. I hope that you have fun painting some rocks around your house. Check out all my previous crafts on my YouTube page and keep up to date with future crafts on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter pages. If you'd like to support future crafts, like maybe clay crafts, you could support me on Patreon by subscribing, and my special offer is ending this weekend, so make sure if you want a free hand-drawn caricature of yourself to use as your social media profile photo, go ahead and subscribe before the deadline. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy painting.